Coronavirus are a large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe disease like pneumonia, MERS, and SARS. MERS is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and SARS called Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. The severe symptoms are high fever, pneumonia, kidney failure, death. Its transmission occurs through the cough, sneezes from infected person or touching contaminated objects. The common symptoms are fever. After 2 to 7 days, develop a dry cough, mild breathing, difficulty at the outset, gastrointestinal issues. This is the main structure of coronavirus, in which the spike glycoprotein envelope small membrane proteins, hemagglutinin esterase, nucleoprotein, and genomic RNA. In these, the structural protein are nucleoprotein, spike glycoprotein, envelope protein, and membrane protein. The main function of spike protein is for binding of host cell receptor to facilitate entry of host cell. The function of envelope protein is to interact with membrane to form viral envelope. And the function of membrane protein determines the shape of viral envelope and act as a central organizer of coronavirus assembly. Nucleoprotein function is to bind RNA gene. How COVID-19 affect the body? Researchers with the Center for Disease Control and Prevention studied nearly 45,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19. The disease caused by new coronavirus that emerged in Wuhan city. They found 81% of those cases mild, 14% were severe, and 5% were critical. In mild condition, the cases are resembles to flu, such as dry cough, low-grade fever. In severe cases, the inflammation causes fluid to accumulate in the lungs, which makes breathing difficult as the immune system fights the viral infection. In critical condition, an outsized immune response to the viral infection leads to sepsis and drop in blood pressure, and this condition is known as septic shock. The novel coronavirus caused the infectious disease, that is COVID-19. As we know, the lungs have small sacs called alveoli or air sacs that exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Breathing with COVID-19 causes inflammatory cells to pour into the lungs and suffocating the alveoli, by which the organ cannot reach the blood. Without oxygen, the organ failure occurs. So we called the infectious disease COVID-19 cause acute respiratory distress syndrome, which is a life-threatening. It is an injury to the lungs. The acute respiratory distress syndrome causes fluid to leak into the lungs, by which breathing is more difficult and causes lack of oxygen in a blood stream. The lack of oxygen harms the brain, organ, and body tissue. The people who have acute respiratory distress, the treatment for those include oxygen therapy to ensure the blood and body have enough oxygen to function properly. If necessary, an extracorporeal membrane oxygenation machine may be used to oxygenate the blood outside the body while the body fights the infection and repair itself. Pulmonary rehabilitation is used to treat the acute respiratory distress syndrome patients to recover their strength.